hey.
Skate everything, Buster Sword. So this is from one of my favorite all-time video games of all time, Final Fantasy number 7. This thing is literally like 100 pounds. This weighs more than Carlos's entire body. We're gonna throw some trucks on this and see if we can do tricks. You guys wanna make wagers? Kickflip?
You might be able to ride down the bank with it.
Here's the other question though, where to put these trucks? Can't put it there. Can't really put it there.
Yeah, you can drill like.
But then it'll crack, wouldn't it?
Can you hand me scalpel?
Here you go.
See, this was my Halloween costume. This was the sword that was made for me by Hector, the coolest guy ever. One of them is a prop. One of them is a real giant piece of wood. Are you guys excited about this? I know Fetty is.
Nailboard 3.0. Well, that's not coming out.
We gotta do 4 bolts on this. Right, Gabe?
Debatable.
Oh yeah, safe is as safe does. This does look pretty dope though, doesn't it? Woo! Woo! We're gonna need to break the handle off immediately.
Winter's coming.
Okay, let's roll this. Yes, dude. Yes! So basically, the story behind this is I was this character for Halloween, and Hector made me that sword, and then so many kids were like, you should skate it, you should skate it, that we were like, we must skate it. I think we're gonna need to break this handle off.
It's already kind of broken.
Maybe not break it off, just pull it out. Just watch yourself. If this thing gets away, it's gonna take out somebody's ankles. All right, who's gonna do the 3-stair? You wanna give it a go?
Oh, let me give it a.
Give it an ollie.
Oh man, this thing is literally the length of me. Oh man.
That's the nose, bro. That's the tail.
I didn't know that.
How hard is that to deduct? You gotta go faster.
Way faster.
I was like, get out of the way, get out of the way, get out of the way. You almost lost both of your legs. Wow. At the end, after you like win a battle, it's like.
What?
Hey, that's right.
Wait, does this work?
Here, do you want me to like hold it?
Okay, let's just go.
Chill. I'm not. Okay, Aaron. No, chill, man.
Yes, Aaron, you're up.
I'm not up.
You're up. Carlos! Oh my god!
You could not let that go, dude. You were in the line of fire. Oh, if I would have let that go, you would have died, Gabe.
He was holding it. He's like, ready? Like, yeah, I let it go and
Oh, this is the safe zone?
yeah, for the filmer, just put it right between your legs and film from here.
Okay. All right, Carlos, I'm ready. He's gonna eat it. Dude!
What do you do in those moments? Should I jump off? Should I ride it out?
Where's the commitment?
That was scary.
Fetty, no.
Fetty breaks everything. Fetty, we just started. No, Fetty.
Oh!
Shove it.
Hey, watch out.
I want to try and fakey shove it, I feel like. Yeah, there you go. You better watch your legs. This can be done, Gabe. Drop in, yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Kelly.
They want to do it. Oh!
I approved.
Do you have enough body weight to even hold it up in the drop-in position?
Yes.
Oh, that's happening. All right, Luke, you fully got this.
Kelly, go for it.
No, you got it, Luke. It's all you.
No, not double drop it.
How do you hold it up?
You got it on the door.
There you go.
This isn't gonna work. I'm gonna fall. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
What?
Wow! Wow!
Oh
Out of all the times we thought it wasn't gonna work and you were gonna die, and then you just did it and it worked and you
I
didn't
thought
die.
I was gonna fall too.
Well played.
Teamwork.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Just wow. Dream team. Bring it back, bring it back.
We finish each other's sandwiches. I was gonna say that.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ellie.
Got it right here. Green
Come on!
Can you rotoscope this or what? 1, 2, 3. We finish each other's sandwiches. I was gonna say that.
Wow. Another failure like that.
You don't scare me. All right, last try. You're missing it. Yes. Oh, you gotta watch out. I got it. I got it.
Carlos, my God.
Where's the board at?
Oh my God.
That's a great idea.
I'm about to just roll in.
there.
Just have to roll in on it.
One more.
No, chillin'.
Yeah, I just need one more.
That's easy money.
2K13, okay? Don't fall.
First try! It's coming for you!
What are we doing, Aaron?
Ball grab. We need to get the Guinness Book of World Records here more often. We're breaking boundaries.
We need one more person.
We need to light this rail on fire.
It's not happening.
You don't think it's happening? What do you want to bet?
5.
$5? He gets unlimited tries.
Nope.
First try.
Yeah, first try.
First try? No, 3 tries. 2 tries? You're driving a hard bargain. 3 tries. Okay, shake on it. 3 tries, $5. Brilliant. Oh, wow. And he has to roll away too?
Maybe I should do it.
Oh, man.
Yeah, we're gonna do it backwards.
His face.
How do I film this and be safe?
I'm scared for your life, Carlos. What? First try! He was like, well played.
Feel my heart gig?
Oh yeah.
That
That was me last night.
That was that scary.
Yes, Fetty.
I like it. You okay?
Yeah.
Nothing phases Fetty.
If that happened to me, I would literally never skate again.
I know. I would break my board, I'd break the warehouse, and I would give up.
You didn't wax the top, right?
You got this, Fetty.
Do not try this at home. Nose slide onto a 10-foot sword.
What? Hey, get out of here.
Right here, Fetty.
Well, now the sword has a birthmark.
Look at the gap.
Finally.
Oh, I have an idea. That is not what I expected.
Then you gotta kick it from further away. Still landed it 50-50. What? Front feeble. On the steeple.
Wow.
Wow!
Well
Just
done.
wow!
Well done.
First try!
He tried to kill me.
What happened?
Davis report.
It got Rapunzeled.
Dude.
Straight up hole in the wood. That's a
That's
Braille horse
something.
for if a Braille
That's
horse ain't for a horse. Yeah, good idea. You stand here, 115-pound Carlos to catch it.
I can do it.
Fetty, I'm sorry. Maybe kicked it a little bit too hard.
Yes!
Kind of went over it. I think we need a rebate. That was like the worst kick. Best kickflip ever. Yes, Fetty.
You could tell that he didn't go over it because he was in frame and the sword was out of frame.
That was more or less over it.
I didn't go over it.
Kyro! That's twice.
Gabe,
That's twice.
they trucks go everywhere. I don't know what to do.
Oh my God, what happened?
Well done, team. That was a team effort. We made it. We did it. We got it.
He was right. I was so little that I tried to stop it with both feet, and it just like took me.
The board weighs more than me.
If anybody gets this, it's you.
Or Carlos.
You weigh more than me.
How much do you weigh?
Like 20 pounds.
I'll push you really fast.
Come on, you can trust him. Just trust the man.
Oh, you got that.
100%. Yeah, Luke!
He's gonna break the side of our bank if it flies.
Fetty, can you make sure it doesn't hit the bank?
You're working so hard today, Fetty.
Sweating.
Luke, you had that! He freaking flew. That was like the highest ollie I've ever seen him do. He was like this. How did he do that?
I was surprised that worked.
That's awesome, dude. Oh, yeah.
And another one down, and another one down, and another one bites the dust. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. A huge thanks to Hector for making us this incredible Buster sword. You guys can follow him on his Instagram, link in the description below. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the whole series of Skate Everything. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. I'll see you next time. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.